Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can create the geometry of a pipe and meshing of the pipe using Salome. These are the basic steps we will follow. Then I will discuss here how we can create the mesh. So first let me open the Salome. Yes. So now we can select the geometry model. Then and we can select the axis what is the axis of the pipe. So there are the several way. So first I have discussed in the last video how we can create the basic step, how we can follow the all basic step, then create the geometry of the object. But here we will do the sum step which suppose we have the already existing geometry. You can see that this is more in the toolbar there is a predefined geometry here. Just first we need to select the axis. Just you can select the axis, then create the and select this object like pipe. We are going to the use this what is the radius and height of the pipe. Height mean length of the pipe here. So n axis is the z axis. So like we have the 10, we have consider 10 mm 10 mm 10 mm radius and 500 mm 500 mm height of the pipe. This close it, and you can see here, you can see yeah, you can see there the pipe geometry is created. Yeah, you can, this is the geometry of the pipe. It is having 10 mm 10 mm radius or 20 mm diameter of the pipe, and length of this pipe is 500 mm or zero point 0.5 meter. So now what we have to do, we have to we now what is there. So you can change the name as per your requirement. Pipe, you can check the pipe, this is the pipe. And now what you have to define, you have to define the what is the surface's name. Like we have the inlet and outlet and the wall surface. So how you can get, first you have to get the surfaces. How we can get the surfaces? Just go to the entry modular, then exploit this to exploit, and just first select the faces, then just apply. You can see the three faces are you can see here the three faces. Yeah, so the three faces. Yeah, now you can give the name. Suppose you can select one by one. Suppose what is this? This is the outlet. This is the outlet, and this is inlet. This is inlet, and this is the inlet, and just open. And what is this? This is the wall of pipe. This is the pipe of the this is the wall pipe. Yes. Yeah, now we have created the 3D pipe, 3D geometry of the pipe, and we have defined it this the surfaces. So now what is the next step? First we have to save this our yes, first we have to save it. Yes, we have saved this. Now what we have to do, now we have to do the meshing of this pipe. So here is basically, here this is for the demonstration purpose. We will not taking care right now for the geometric quality, just for the demonstration purpose. So we have created the three pipe geometry. Now what? Now next part is the meshing of this pipe. Now you need to activate the mesh modular. So now as you can see, the mesh modular is activated here. And now what you are going to do here, you have to do we are going to do meshing of this pipe. So there you can select the pipe, and you can select the pipe and follow this one, create the mesh. So this is the 3D pipe. We can select uh, we can select any or something 1 2 3D. Yes, you can select this one. So and you need to define the hypothesis parameter. You can define this like 0 3 and 3 3 3, and for the mesh size we have defined here. So like then we have defined the these mesh parameter. Yes, so now and now just yes, just do apply and close it. So and you can change the name also. This is the pipe, right? This is the pipe. And you have, what you have to do, you have to compute, or there is a, you can right click on here and just compute, or there is a some here, there is some button of the computer as similar way, which is depend on you, which you like. So now we can compute this mesh and see. Yeah, so as you can see, the all mesh information are here. So like nodes and as and total, this one, and how many triangle, like mesh size, volume, all are this information are display here. So and you can see here, just you have to select this button, then you can zoom it and then whatever you want. This like this the geometry is created of the this mesh of the creator of this pipe. So what you need to do, just now you have to, first you have to save, otherwise. So now next part is you have to define the patches, mean what the surfaces like inlet, outlet and wall surface, and do there is a separate way you can select one by one. Otherwise you can create the right click on this pipe, then create group from the geometry, which geometry is here, which we have created here. You can select this inlet, outlet pipe ball and just open it. So then you can see, if you disable this pipe geometry, then you can see one by one. You can see here, right? There are three, and you can see here the three boundary these three patches like boundary inlet are created. Now what you need to do here, just save it. And what you need to do, just you have to select this, and you have to select this pipe and export this, export in unv file. So yes, you have to select this one. Yes, now you can see the that pipe unv file are dot unv file are saved, which we this mesh file we can convert it into the uh, we can call into convert into the OpenFOAM format. So there, that is the next part which we will discuss later on. Thank you for watching this one.